Hello death, my old friend. You've come to haunt my life again. In the shadows you linger, I'm lost, a whispered sigh. You cradle memories like smoke, they drift away from me. These are the sounds in my head. Pain whispers quietly. You took my peeps away, leaving me hollow, so alone. Empty chairs, echoing laughs, trapped inside my home. Memories dance like candlelight, dance and fade like dreams. Grief's a thief stealing my time, I shout in endless screams. These are sounds of sorrow spinning on repeat. My heart aches loud, I'm feeling incomplete. Begging for strength, I pour my soul onto the ground, but it lingers, then it sinks. I feel like I've drowned. It's a battle with shadows, a war in my mind. You're the ghost that won't let go, just there intertwined. I wear this burden heavy, it's a pain in my chest. These are the sounds of sorrow, they never let me rest. You claim my laughter, turn joy to despair. Your breath wraps around me, strangled, there's no way. Lost in the dark, no light to guide, silence fills the night. Death, you're my oppressor, and I'm screaming through this fight. Every tear like shattered glass, cutting through this pain. These waves of grief crash down, relentless like the rain. Each haunting thought a dagger, piercing through my core. This silence sings a song of everything I'm on. It's a battle, the shadows, a war in my mind. You're the ghost that won't let go, just there intertwined. I wear this burden heavy, it's a pain in my chest. These are the sounds of sorrow, they never let me rest. Lost in the sound of sorrow, the darkness so dire. I think I see a flicker, in its glow I can spy. It's time to let go, to rise. It's time for me to mend. Hello death, my old friend. It's time that the sorrow ends.